So I have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I also have a ton of accessories from Belkin. So hang out with me while I go put all of these accessories on the Galaxy Ultra and let you know what I think. It's crazy because ever since the Samsung Unpacked, I've had a lot of life events happen to me, some really not great life events actually. It's been quite tough, so if you've seen me posting a little less, it's because it's been a little bit hard right now, but I'm happy to be, oh my god, I'm happy to be back. And oh wow, it's a white one. I didn't even, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's very pretty. We'll peel it off. I wasn't going to share this information, or I wasn't sure if I should share this information, but you know, I told you all about my channel getting hacked, so I feel like I probably should just tell you about the other stuff that happened to me lately. First, this is the S26 Ultra, and it's a very minimal packaging, which I quite like actually. I do like when there's minimal packaging. I know packaging always makes things feel premium, but I like saving the environment as much as I can, so it's just your standard stuff. Okay, so S26 is opened up and ready. Also, I got my nails done. Look how cute they are. So after my channel got hacked, which was one of the most stressful things that's ever happened to me, I got my channel back, and then I went to GDC. And GDC is like this game developer conference. I went for work. And let me just open this real quick. So this is a purple Belkin case. It has shock absorbing nano titan technology, and it has wireless charging certified. It has it right here. It says flip around. So yeah, just open it this way. I'm opening it wrong. Okay, now I can pull it. Yes, now I can pull it. Be ready for today. That's what it says in here, which no one will ever see because except for you, like the first time you ever opened this. So that's kind of sweet. That's a nice little touch that they had on here. Just put the phone in. Nice and loaded in there. Okay, I'm gonna turn this phone on, and while it's turning on, this case fits really nicely, by the way. Like, look how cute that looks with my adorable little nails. Like, this looks so good. Maybe I need to charge it, so let me just plug this in while I open the last thing. And then this one is Screen Force. It's an anti-reflective screen protector. I went to GDC and then for a week, and that was right after I got my channel back. Something else, like I had really bad news from one of my friends that I found out. And so I was taking care of her all weekend once I got home from GDC. And then that Sunday, apparently my dog had been acting weird all week. So took her to the vet that Sunday. Long story short, turns out she had a tumor, likely cancer, very accelerated. And pretty much I took her to the vet to get a regular checkup that morning. And by that afternoon, I was at urgent care, and they were telling me that I should put her down immediately because the tumor was so accelerated that she was suffering. So the very next day, I had to put her down. Yeah, and that happened within the same month that my channel got hacked. So that's, if you've seen me not be around, especially after my channel got hacked, I was like hoping to come back and really be back and do a lot. That's why you haven't seen me around as much, because I've just been crying my eyes out. But I'm doing a little bit okay now. I'm a little bit better. So anyway, back to this. That's what happened to me, and I've had a hard time talking about it, and I still have a really hard time talking about it. But figured maybe you guys should know. Anyway, so back to this anti-reflective screen protector. I am really excited to be putting all these accessories at one time on my phone, on my brand new phone. Like, this has not ever happened to me, to be honest. I am not a phone creator traditionally, so I've never like opened up a phone, like a brand new phone, and be able to like bling it out all in one go. So thank you, Belkin, for sending me all of these products to be able to put onto my phone immediately. How does this even, oh, I actually don't ever use screen protectors on my phone. I should, because I scratched them really badly, but I don't know, I'm bad, I guess. So I don't even know how to do this. We should probably read the instructions. Okay. First, you clean your phone, and then you put this on top of it. And then you put your phone in, you place it down, you pull the thingy, and then your phone will be ready. Oh my God, I don't trust myself with this, but okay. I guess maybe we should not have put the phone case on yet, but oh, look how cute this color is. Okay, this phone case, by the way, goes on really well. It's super, oh, I can't. Are you looking at this? Look at my nails and this phone together. Like this color palette is just, it's so cute. So we will take this back out. My phone back out, okay. Pretty secure actually. A little bit, I wouldn't say hard to take out, but it's not the easiest to take out. Okay, clean the screen after I just put my fingers all over it. Clean the screen. And then, okay, so I'm putting this on here. Okay, following instructions. And then I put it in here. No, don't. Dust. Oh, dust removal sticker. Oh my God. I was about to put this in there. I'm like, how does this whole thing work? Okay, so you put the dust removal sticker. Okay. And then our screen protectors are built to last. Okay, well, so I do this, and then I take this off. Okay, no more dust. And then I put this in here. Here, and then I'm like kind of excited. All right, I'm gonna put it here, and then pull. Oh my gosh, did I do this right? It's so crunchy paper. Looks okay. Okay, it's pretty good. It just has this like light bubble here. So I think this is very well aligned. Oh my gosh, wow. That actually worked pretty perfectly. I don't know if you can see this. Wow, that was a fun experience. I enjoyed that. We have our screen protector on. It looks phenomenal. Can you see how, like, look at these, can you see these edges? Like this fits perfectly. It looks really good. Okay, we're gonna put our case back on. It's making me so happy. Now on to the last part. So this is the Ultra Charge Modular Charging Dock. I don't even know what this is, if I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm very grateful to be sent this. Yeah, thank you. Okay. What is it? Oh my gosh, what is it? Okay, it says Belkin on top. And then, how does this work? Oh my gosh, I feel like I do. Oh, okay. You open it. What's this for? Oh, you can press it. And then, I don't get it though. Why is that there? If I put this here? Okay, let's just see. You have an instruction manual. Ultra Charge. Multi. Oh. Okay, so here's what I found out. This is to charge your watch, but look at this. This allows you to it's modular, so you can charge your Google Watch 1st gen, Samsung Watch, Google Watch 2nd gen, or your Apple Watch, all with this. That's pretty cool. So phone, and this all work together. That's awesome. Okay, what else is in here? This is the brick. It's the same color. It's nice. Same color. Very clean aesthetic. And then it's fine. This is I'm very impressed, Belkin. This whole everything. This was such a very high quality, very delightful experience for me. And everything is just like beautiful, like perfectly perfect. Everything's so high quality, so high, it's like really well made. Okay, so this is the charger. And you plug it into somewhere. Oh, okay, under here. Oh, that's how it works. Okay, so underneath you would plug in the power for this, and you would just tuck the cable in here. So that's nice and somewhat confined, right? And then next to it, to charge the watch, you would plug in another, it looks like, cable. Yeah, you would put your charging cable in there for your watch, and then this would just, these are just adapters so that you can put your watch in there and it would hold it in place. And then your phone goes, I've never had one of these, can you tell? Okay, your phone goes here, and that has a very nice look, it's the magnet's pretty strong, so that's good. And then something else goes here. I don't know what it is. And then your watch goes here. But anyway, all in all, really, really high quality. Everything is nice and high quality. So now let's turn on the phone and see how the screen protector looks. It looks stunning. Welcome. Okay, so let's plug this in and see how it works. All right, if you want any of the products in this video, I will link all of them below. I may have a discount. If I do, I'll make sure it's in the description below for you. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. I would like to end on a little bit of gratitude. So I would love to know like something you've been really excited about or grateful for lately. And I think that will help pick up my mood, but also anyone else that's watching this video. Okay, thank you, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.